Welcome to Sagert Farm, a beautiful new Lennar homes community located in Tualatin, Oregon, ideally situated in the heart of the Portland metro area, offering residents easy access to an incredible mix of amenities. Tualatin is one of the fastest growing cities in Oregon and is home to a diverse group of people that embrace involvement in the community. This big-spirited small town has a passion for the arts, and there's never a shortage of things to do here, where residents benefit from ample opportunities for both recreation and employment. When you live in your new Lennar home at Sagert Farm, you'll appreciate the large variety of excellent shopping opportunities, as well as the many tasty local eateries and award-winning craft breweries where you can experience the best of what the Northwest has to offer. You'll also benefit from great education programs and an extensive offering of extracurricular activities, as well as a proud tradition of award-winning athletics and continuing education opportunities, all located nearby. Home to state-of-the-art manufacturing and wholesale trade companies, Tualatin is rich with a variety of local employment and also offers flexibility for residents working in Salem, Portland, and surrounding nearby cities. With convenient access to freeways, bus, and light rail, Tualatin is truly a strategic commuter location. After work, relax in your new Lennar home at Sagert Farm, where everything's included. You'll appreciate having gorgeous features and upgrades like stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, granite countertops, home automation, and more, all included at no additional cost. Endless adventure awaits, from experiencing Oregon's famous wine country or strolling along the majestic Oregon coast to exploring Mount Hood or hiking in the historic Columbia River Gorge. Wherever you work or play, Tualatin is an incredible place to live, offering the ideal commuter location with convenient access wherever you want to go. Enjoy an amazing quality of life when you live in your new Lennar home at Sagert Farm.